Have you ever woken up and felt stuck, like life has backed you into a corner with no way out? Maybe it's the weight of past mistakes, a dream that fell apart, or the suffocating feeling of knowing things need to change, but not knowing where to start. You're not alone. We all have those moments, the ones where doubt creeps in, telling us it's too late, that we've missed our shot, or that we don't have what it takes to rebuild. But here's the truth. It's never too late. Never. Right now, as you're listening to this, you are standing at the edge of a decision. You have the power to leave behind everything that no longer serves you and take that first bold step toward a fresh start, a new you, a better life. Does it sound impossible? Good, because impossible is where transformation begins. Here's the thing, starting fresh isn't about erasing your past. It's about taking control of your story from this moment on. Think of it this way. Your past is not a life sentence. It's a lesson. And here's the best part. You don't need permission to start over. You don't need all the answers. You don't need to wait for some magical moment when everything feels right. The only thing you need is the will to take the first step. Think about this. Every great comeback in history started with one person deciding they'd had enough. Enough of the fear, enough of the doubt, enough of the excuses. They didn't have all the answers, but they started anyway. And yes, it's scary. Change always is. But let me tell you what's even scarier, staying stuck in a life that doesn't make you happy. This is your opportunity, right here, right now, to reclaim your life, to rebuild on your terms, and to remind yourself that you are not your mistakes. You are not your failures. You are the one who gets to decide what comes next. Imagine for a moment what your life could look like if you let go of the fear and fully embraced your potential. What would it feel like to wake up every day and know that you're building something meaningful? Something that reflects who you truly are? You have that power within you. It's not reserved for the lucky few or the ultra-talented. It's yours. All you have to do is claim it. Starting fresh isn't about perfection, it's about progress. It's about showing up, even when it's hard, and proving to yourself that you can do this. Every time you take a step toward your goals, no matter how small, you're creating momentum, you're building strength, and with every step, you're sending a message to yourself and the world. I am not giving up. I am starting over, and I will succeed. This is it. Your moment to take charge of your life, your chance to build something amazing. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop letting fear hold you back. The time to act is now. Write down your dreams. Take that first step. Make that phone call. Apply for that job. Start that business. Whatever it is, do it. You don't have to see the entire path right now. You just need to take one step, then another, and another. And soon, you'll look back and realize just how far you've come. And remember, every great story of success starts with a decision to try. Your story is no different. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't isn't talent or luck. It's the willingness to start, to keep going, and to never give up. Your past is a chapter, not the whole book. You are not defined by what's behind you. You are defined by the actions you take today and every day moving forward. Starting fresh isn't easy, but it's the most powerful thing you'll ever do. Every step you take is a declaration that you believe in yourself, that you're ready to grow, and that you're determined to create a life filled with possibility and purpose. So what are you waiting for? This is your time, your fresh start, your chance to build the life you've always dreamed of. Believe in it, take action, and remember, you've got this.